Welcome to Learn English Day by Day. My daily routine.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. What have you been up to lately?
Not much, just work and gym. How about you?
What time do you wake up every day?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m. How about you?
I wake up at 6 a.m. Do you have breakfast right after?
Yes, I usually have a light breakfast. What about you?
I usually just have a coffee. What do you do after breakfast?
I usually take a shower and then get ready for work.
Sounds like a good routine. What time do you go to work?
I leave for work at 8 a.m. How about you?
I leave at 7:30 a.m. What do you do after work?
After work, I usually go to the gym. What about you?
I like to relax at home and watch TV. What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 11 p.m. How about you?
I go to bed around 10 p.m. Do you read before bed?
Yes, I love reading before bed. It's a great way to relax.